Upon this striking heath, a joyful throng shall once again with eagerness descend.
So the story begins with the milliner's design for the new hat, which is then passed on to a CAD designer to turn it into a computer file. That computer file, three-dimensional computer file, is then sent through to us. Okay, so what you can see here is the nylon powder being put into the machine build hopper, and this is then what the hat will be made of. So now we've put the powder into the hopper is then inserted into the machine, ready for the build process. So now we've got the powder hoppers in the machine, we can close the door and start the process running. So what we can see here is the new layer of powder being put down on the build. That's heated up, followed by the laser scanning over the surface we want made, melting it and forming the new layer of our new hat. So we go through into the next room where we'll put the chamber into the breakout station, and as you can see, that then brings up what we call the cake. And what I'm going to do is leave the next stage to the experts to do the job properly. That will now need to be blasted off with compressed air and a smaller bit of powder, just to remove the excess powder. That's excellent. Thank you very much, Lewis. And so here we are, the finished hat. All the letters perfectly clear. Lovely job.
This burst of every shade an alchemist could possibly conceive enlivens spirits for the racing feast that lies ahead, and weaves this Royal Ascot week a tapestry, great British drama, brightly laced with reams of endless golden thread.